Could we be seeing a potential reversal on Solana? Let's find out. What's up, everybody? James here with Myself Invested, helping you make the best investment, which is in yourself. So glad that you are here. Thanks so much for tuning into this video. If you want to see videos with crypto, personal finance, all that kind of stuff, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Now, let's talk about Solana right now. Very interesting spot where we are on the 4-hour chart. So let's take a look. On the 4-hour chart right now, we are seeing some bullish divergence. Let me draw this line in here. So we've got a pretty steep drop. Look at the angle on that. Steep drop coming down from 168 all the way down to about the 133 mark. Just over the span of a couple of days. Again, the whole market's just kind of been down the past couple of days, kind of rough looking. But on the short term, we've got some bullish divergence. We've got price coming down, making lower lows, and then we've got higher lows on the RSI. Now, this is not a telltale sign that we're going to see price reverse and just go all the way up. No, that's not exactly what we're talking about. But we can try to anticipate what we might see. This could be a potential point of reversal. And so what we want to do is just kind of key in on if we did see a reversal, where we would see that. And again, what I've learned in the past few years of looking at the charts, a lot of it just comes back to fundamentals, which is price action, support and resistance, and trend lines. So right now I drew this trend line right where you can visibly see it's respecting over the past couple of days. And we are getting a break. Just within the past hour, we got a break on this trend line. Now, sometimes what we'll see is we'll see price come up and then retest and then continue on for a higher move. That would be great. And so on this, we do also have what looks to be like a falling wedge. This is usually also a bullish pattern as well. So if we can get a break on the trend line, a retest and continuation, that would look very nice. Kind of might be a place that we can look to enter if we want to get some exposure to this market. One funny thing I want to show you, and I happen to be looking at this chart on TradingView, which is the Kraken is the exchange for this particular chart. And when I pulled this up today, I'll just get this other stuff out of the way. When I pulled this up today, I've got moving averages on here. I've got like the 20, the 50, and I've got the 200 and the 365. But on this chart, it only shows, some price history of Solana. And this is a newer quote unquote crypto anyways. But on this chart particularly, it's barely got 200 days. And you can see that because the 200-day moving average just showed up this week, because it needs 200 days of data of price action in order to even create the 200-day moving average. Otherwise, it wouldn't even be on the chart. So what's interesting is that just this week, this indicator showed up. It had enough data so that it could create a 200-day moving average on the chart, and price came right to the 200-day moving average. Now, in technical analysis, sometimes price kind of has a magnet. You could see right here as well, it kind of went to retest the 50-day moving average. Now we've gone and tested the 200-day moving average. And not in all cases, but when we see price move below the 200-day moving average, kind of fundamental within more the equities and stock market, that is a very bearish signal. If price is below, that's bearish. When price is above, it's bullish. Again, that's not a take it to the bank type of way to invest or to trade. But a lot of times when price is above, people are excited about it. There's more demand than there is supply. And so if we could stay above this 200-day moving average, I would say that that's a more bullish case for Solana. And that would be good. We would like to see that, right? So again, we've got on the more micro level, we've got some of the bullish divergence forming even on the 1 hour. I mean, look at that. On the 1 hour, we've got a solid support line right here. We've also got the RSI kind of moving back up from oversold back into the middle. We've got some momentum, it looks like here. And if we get a breakout on one of these next two candles, we've got volume coming up. This could be a really good sign. Now, if it stays above this level, stays above the 200-day moving average, time will tell. But this could be a very, very potent area to get in if you want to get some exposure to Solana. So that's what I've got in this video. Hope this one helps you out. Again, if you enjoyed it, if you're looking at the charts and you're like, man, I want to maybe take a look and see where I can get in, good for you. This is not financial advice. This is just me sharing some of my thoughts, some of the things that I've learned and what I'm looking at on the chart. So I appreciate you tuning into this one. Make sure you subscribe for some more if you like this kind of stuff. This is James with Myself Invested, helping you make the best investment, which is in yourself. Take care.